October 1917 was a month which left its mark on the world. Here in the UK, it is 100 years since the co-operative movement first decided to give expression to its values through the parliamentary route at Westminster by forming the Co-operative Party. That decision was taken at its Congress in Swansea, fitting, given the role Wales has played in the history of the cooperative movement. Since then, devolution has given the Co-operative Party other parliaments through which to campaign for its vision of a cooperative world. Indeed, the very idea of devolution echoes so many of the values of cooperativism, of democracy, of active participation and of community. This last weekend at our Centenary conference, the First Minister spoke of the ways in which this institution and Wales more generally supports and nurtures the cooperative ideal. As we celebrate our centenary, we have cooperators in all parliaments of the UK, and we have a thriving cooperative party group at the National Assembly, of which I'm proud to be chair. This fifth assembly includes the largest number of co-op party members since devolution. Indeed, 25% of assembly members now belong to the cooperative party. Through 100 years of change, the cooperative party has been a champion for democracy, active citizenship, mutual support, equity, community and sustainability, the principles of cooperation. And as we face the next 100 years, those principles remain as relevant as they were when the party was founded 100 years ago.